Fish on. It's a good fish. Nice. Hello there. Today we're going to talk about some river strategies, especially when you're nymphing or dry fly fishing. A lot of times a fish will be in a certain spot and be consistently in that spot every time you go out and fish a river. So what I try to do is I look for the line. And what the line is kind of a feeding line. Sometimes it's a bubble line, sometimes it's within a large portion of a bubble line. So I think the best way to really describe it is break the piece of water down that's right in front of you, kind of like lanes of a freeway. So we're talking lines, we're talking lanes. It's the same thing. A lot of times you'll find fish in specific lanes, and when you get consistent action and you've caught fish in a certain lane, stick to that lane and you'll find that you'll increase the amount of fish you catch, because a lot of times they're all within that one specific lane. So grid it out. Start with lane 1, then lane 2, then lane 3, then lane 4. And once you find where you're getting the most action, stick to that lane. And in this case, I'm at about lane 3, and I've caught one fish and had several takedowns. So there's your fly fishing tip of the trip. All right, everybody. Till the next time, fish on.